Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get your account statement on Santander Consumer USA. If you don't have a Santander Consumer USA account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the middle part of the screen. Click on the option that says Statements. Now on this page, you will be able to see the list of your statements. To proceed, click on the Download PDF button beside the statement you wish to get. Now you will see your account statement. That's how you get your account statement on Santander Consumer USA. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.